How was geometry crucial for ancient navigation and astronomy? Imagine sailing across vast oceans or gazing at the night sky without modern tools. How did ancient people figure out where they were or predict celestial events? The secret lies in the power of geometry. Geometry helped early civilizations measure distances, angles, and positions, which made navigation and astronomy possible. Starting with basic ideas like points, lines, and shapes, ancient navigators used these principles to find their way at sea by measuring the angles between stars and the horizon. For example, by knowing the altitude of a star above the horizon, they could estimate their latitude, or how far north or south they were. One key branch of geometry used was trigonometry, which deals with the relationships between angles and sides in triangles. Since the Earth is round, ancient scholars applied trigonometric calculations to model its curved surface. This helped them create maps that showed the world more accurately. Sailors used these calculations to determine their location at sea by measuring the angles between celestial bodies and the horizon, a technique called celestial navigation. They used tools like the astrolabe, which was based on geometric principles. The astrolabe allowed users to measure the altitude of stars and planets, then convert those measurements into coordinates for navigation or understanding astronomical events. Geometry also played a role in map-making. Early maps often lacked accuracy, but with geometric methods, cartographers could project the curved surface of the Earth onto flat maps. This led to better navigation charts and even the development of map projections like the Mercator projection, which helped sailors plot courses more reliably. In astronomy, geometry was essential for predicting the movements of planets and stars. Ancient Egyptians aligned their pyramids with specific stars using geometric principles, and Greek mathematicians like Euclid and Pythagoras developed theories about space and shapes that laid the foundation for understanding the universe. For 10th graders studying geometry, these examples show how points, lines, and angles are not just abstract ideas but tools used to explore and understand the world. Practicing how to measure angles of elevation or how to solve triangle problems can help you see the real-world importance of geometry. Visualizing problems with diagrams makes understanding easier and more fun. Managing your study time by breaking complex topics into smaller parts also helps you learn better. In the end, geometry was the backbone for ancient navigation and astronomy. It gave people the ability to measure distances, understand their position on Earth, and predict celestial events. These skills helped explorers discover new lands and scientists unlock the secrets of the stars. Today, the same principles continue to guide us in navigation, space exploration, and many other fields.